Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of SiteGiant's tutorial. I'm Catherine and today we'll be talking about ways you can receive payment from your customers.
In this video, we will be covering offline payment method, also known as manual bank transfer, online payment method, also known as payment gateway, and also the differentiation between these two payment methods. Let's get started. Manual bank transfer requires you to disclose your bank particulars to public because these methods allow customers to pay later by logging into their bank account manually or deposit the cash into cash deposit machine. Whereas payment gateway is our preferred payment method because this is instant and secure. We have a variety of payment gateways like EGHL, iPay88, MoPay, and etc. First of all, how to set up manual bank transfer. Log into your Unicard admin panel, go to Setting, Payment. You will find Advanced Payment by default. In case you couldn't find it, click Add Payment and choose Advanced Payment. Now, click on Advanced Payment, then Bank Transfer. You will find most of the payment methods have this setting. Title is the name displayed during checkout process. Total is the minimum ordered amount that enables customers to use this method. Remark is what displayed on orders made through this payment method. Geozone for payment method is to control which area of customers who can use this method. If you only focus on local market, please set to all Malaysia zone. Next, amend the advanced payment instruction. We have a template ready, just fill in your bank particulars and email. As for customers group, you may leave it blank if you allow all customers to use this payment method. After that, click on Done, enable the status, save, successful. If you are choosing payment gateway, I'm going to show you how to set up payment gateway in SiteGiant. Let's take iPay88 as an example. Firstly, you have to apply for an iPay88 account with them. Upon successful application, iPay88 will give you a merchant code and merchant key for integration purpose. Now, go to your Unicard admin panel, Setting, Payment. Click on Add Payment button on top right and select iPay88 and install. Fill in the merchant code and merchant key provided by iPay88. You may enter title as iPay88 bracket online banking and credit card, set total, remark, geozone set to all Malaysia zone, and customers group for iPay88 if necessary. Select MYR as the accepted currency. Last but not least, remember to enable the status to make it live on your SiteGiant store. What is this payment setting? This is where you can set transaction charges to your customers who use iPay88 for payment. Worry not, you may check out their promotion rate offered exclusively for SiteGiant's client at SiteGiant official website. Go to More and select Payment Gateway. This is where you can see special rates for SiteGiant's clients. Done all the setup, save, and remember to clear cache.
Some merchants may struggle between manual bank transfer and payment gateway. I would recommend you to use payment gateway because it will require your customers to pay instantly and it is more secure. Besides that, every successful transaction will automatically update SiteGiant's order status to paid. Therefore, you doesn't need to waste time, manpower, and energy to keep track on your payment. And you can also speed up the delivery process. To use their service, there is a fee imposed. Although manual bank transfer do not impose any fee, but this may create abandoned order because customers are allowed to pay later and this might cause them to delay the payment and even forget about it. Then, we will indirectly need to waste manpower, time, energy to follow up with customers, track for payment manually, and this will even slow down the delivery process. By the way, if you have decided to use any payment gateway, please inform us at support@SiteGiant.my. This is the end of our payment method tutorial. Thanks for watching this. We hope this tutorial gives you some ideas to choose and set up payment method in SiteGiant stores.
If you have further inquiries, feel free to refer to our knowledge base at support.sitegiant.my or contact us at live chat or email to support@sitegiant.my. Goodbye and have a great day!